Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the timers. So, what is mean by timers? What are the uses of timers? Already we have discussed in the previous session. So, PIC16F877 has three different types of timers: timer 0, timer 1 and timer 2. Among these three timers, timer 0 and timer 2 are 8-bit timers and timer 1 is a 16-bit timer. So we have discussed about timer 0 and its registers in general in the previous session. So today we are going to discuss about the timer 1 and timer 2. As like timer 0, timer 1 also has its own special features. It's a 16-bit timer. It's readable and writable. Software programmable prescaler is available. Internal or external clock select. Interrupt overflow is also available. Edge select for external clocks. And these are the registers relevant to timer 1. T1 con timer 1 control register, then TMR1 register which has high and low because it's 8-bit, right? It 8-bit. So TMR1 it has high and low with this, which is each 8-bit. Then it has a PIR register which is used for um, interrupt enable. T1 con register, timer 1 control register. It is an 8-bit register. So out of these two are undefined bits and the remaining 6 bits we have. So out of this bit is timer 1 input clock prescaler select bits, the timer 1 oscillator enable control bits, timer 1 external clock input synchronization control bit. Then we have the timer 1 clock source select bit. Timer 1 on bit is available. Then the other register, TMR1 register, it is a 16-bit register. So it is divided into a higher order 8-bit bits and lower order 8-bit bits. Then PIR register, this flag marks end of one cycle count. The flag needs to be reset in the software if we want to do another cycle count. So this is a code for timer 1. So the timer 1 is initialized, prescaler value is fixed. So this is again for a count. The timer 1 was blinking again, LED blinking for a particular time period using timer 1 is used. Timer 2, it has special features. It's 8-bit timer. It's readable and writable. Software programmable prescalers are available. Interrupt on overflow from F to 00. Registers used for timer 2. T2 control register, TMR2 register, PIR2 register and PR2 registers are used. T2 control register. So T2 control register, it is an 8-bit register. So it has post scale select bits. Then timer 2 on bit will be there. Then prescale select bits. So clock prescale select bits also will be there. TMR2 and PR2 registers. This TMR2 registers which shows the initial count value, and the PR2 the register in which the final or the maximum count value is written. This is the formula how 1 second delay is calculated. Here for example a 1 second is shown. For any seconds the count value can be calculated. Here the prescaler values are taken, postscaler values are taken. So once if we substitute all these values, we'll get a count. So for 1 second that particular count will be incremented. So if you see here for 1 second with this all these constraints, the count is 675. So 675 means the count will here it has been mentioned. So see here it's again blinking LED with T2 registers. Here we use 1 second blinking. So for that we have calculated the equivalent count for 1 second. right? And that is 6, 7, and 5, and that is been used to count. Once this count exceeds, then it will get reset. So this is for your assessment, and thank you.